Okay, so we're getting closer here. Let's continue down on this side and see what other properties we have to work with. I'm going to scroll down. Text indentation. So it says it's used to specify the indentation on the first line of text. That's not something that we need to do right now. Although if we wanted to line this up directly without the white space on the side, we could use the indent here. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is something that we'll remove later. So I'll type text-indent, and I'll just throw out some numbers here until we get something that's about aligned. So I'm going up and then down. Okay, so it seems like we're pretty close to what we have up here, except there's additional space between the letters in this version. And so we need to be able to add some space down here. Over here on the W3 Schools page, we've reached the end of the examples, but we can scroll down to see the rest of the properties. So we did color. Direction has to do with whether the text is supposed to be left to right, like it is in English, or right to left, like it is in Arabic. We don't need to worry about that. And then the letter spacing increases or decreases the space between characters and text. Bingo. Let's click on that. So here's our example, and we can click the try it yourself to see it in action. So this heading has letter spacing of 2 pixels. What happens if we change it to 10? So I'm going to change it right here and click See Result. And you can see some additional spacing there. Okay, so this is what we want. I'm going to go back over to our browser, click the last value on the last property, and type in letter spacing. Let's try 2 pixels. So it adds some space between, but it's not quite enough. Let's bump it up to 3. Hey, so that pretty much aligns the width of our HTML with the design. Nice.